I'm Chef Kalel of Raintree restaurants. I'll be cooking Asian recipes that are easy to cook in the house. Our next dish is General Tso's orange fried chicken. So we'll make the dry mixture. This is cornstarch. This is flour. I usually mix two kinds of flour so it makes it crispy. This is garlic powder and onion powder. So we're using chicken wings. There's 3 parts in the chicken wings. This is called the drumette. This is called the wingette and the tip. We'll cook first the drumette because this cooks longer. This will take around like 6 minutes. Shake off the excess flour. Heat the oil to around like 175 degrees Celsius. And let's start with the drumette. If you don't have the thermometer at home, just feel it or put the chopsticks. So when you see like it's boiling here, you can drop the chicken. So the drumette and the wingette has a different frying time. So the drumette, it takes around 6 minutes to cook. So after 3 minutes, we'll drop the wingette. So after 3 minutes, you can drop the wingette and add 3 minutes more to the time. So after 6 minutes, you'll see the chicken golden brown and crunchy. Let the oil drip and let's make the sauce. So for the sauce, we have 3 easy ingredients. This is a bottled sweet chili. This is half fresh orange juice. And this is dark soy for color. Just simmer the sauce and add the snap peas. And after a minute, let's put the chicken. Make sure to coat all parts of the chicken. This is optional if you want to put black and white sesame seeds on top. So my advice is don't be afraid in exploring. Try to innovate, try to research, try to look for recipes that can apply to your daily life. I'm Chef Kalel of Raintree Restaurants.